Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. I will. Look at my boy. Are you swimming? You are. Swimming with Rachel. Good girl, Freya. Oh, sorry. Good boy, Odin.
Come here, Freya. You needed two. One for him and one for her. Let's go get him.
Come here, Odin. Bring your ball. Yes, she is a pirate dog. Freya.